a great choice today with the 2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, front and rear floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer, overhead console, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, speed control, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension, radio data system, four-piece floor mat set. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.